Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to use formatting function like space, char 13, char 10, all those stuff. So formatting query result with space and new line, that's what we are going to look here. In this video, we will use pubs database and its author table to learn output formatting. Using formatting technique, we will form a mailing address output. So in a table, the data may span into multiple columns, but what we are going to do here is we will pick multiple column values and we will form it like a mailing address. So something like this comes in 2 or 3 lines in a formatted way. To achieve the result, we need to use formatting functions. So space is one such function. The space function is useful to generate the space. For example, space of 12 will return 12 blank space. Suppose if we use ABC plus space of 5 MNO, then what is get printed is ABC, then there will be 5 blank space. After that MNO is printed. So that's the use of a space function. The functions char 13 and char of 10 together forms line feed as well as carriage return. So if you want to print in a 3 or 4 line, so if you see these are all column 1, column 2 and column 3 from same record, but we want to print that in 3 different lines. So the time we can use char 13 and char 10 together to form line feed or carriage return, or simply to form a new line character. Now let us look at the example. Here, if you see, we are picking data from authors table of pubs database. So the column names of author's first name, select author's first name, space of 2, author's last name, char of 13 and char of 10. So here we are forming a enter. Here first name and last name, in between we add 2 blank space. After that we are printing the address. Here you can see this plus is the concatenation operation for the string, character, all this stuff. Here address, then once again we are performing the concatenation, and this is for enter button or simply carriage return line feed. Next we are printing the city, enter, state, there is a hyphen, here we are printing state, zip, once again new line, new character, then phone. After that we are printing the phone. If you see state and zip, we are appending with a hyphen, and phone, this is a static text, then we are taking the phone from the column. Finally we append line, some line we are printing here. Of course we are printing that after the new line character. Alright, so here this query will produce a output in multiple line. Here if you see first line second line, third, fourth, fifth. So there are 5 lines of output get printed for one record, and after that we have a separator also, and after that the next result will get printed. So likewise here we are printing the content in the form of mailing address. Alright, now let's go to the demo and see how it works. So now we will go to pubs database. Select star from authors. So by default, if you see, this is the way SQL Server is printing the records, and so here result to grid is there, right? I am turning on a result to text. So this is the default format. Now we will use our query. So as already told, space will add 2 blank space between author's first name and author's last name column. Then there's a carriage, return and line field. These together forms the new line character. So if you see the column, what we are printing is author's first name, author's last name, address, city, state, zip. This is a static field, and phone. These are all the stuff we are printing, and finally we are appending that with a line. Now we will execute this, and you can see here we printed the columns in mailing address format. So this is the author's name, his address, then in what city he lives, then state and pin code, finally phone number. So the same way we are printing the details for other authors as well. So if you need, you can copy the content and paste it to Notepad, then you can do the printing. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.